Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum dollar is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. If you are new to the channel, I am using the fibs that go all the way back from May 5th of 2018 to March 13th low. So that's how I'm coming up with this fibs right now. They're giving me a lot of support resistance levels. So let's look and see. It looks like we're having a little bit of a struggle. This looks very similar to Bitcoin. I mean, it looks almost identical to Bitcoin. So if we get closer, let me just zoom in for a second. There's two candles right here, this one and this one. If you put them together, it's called a dark cloud. That means bearish. If this candle closes halfway through or more from the previous candle, dark cloud cover. That means that we're probably going to drift lower. Now, more likely your support is going to be the 50% retracements of the 492. We're probably just going to pierce the 20-day moving average. I mean, the 20-day moving average is important, but it's not like a 200-day moving average where we have to be concerned. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world how to make shackles in the crypto market. So just keep that in mind. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like we're making shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, pulverize that like button. So let's just get back to it. If we manage to break 492, we're probably going to see some, more likely, a lot of selling, because the 200-day moving average, depending on how fast the pullback is, the 200-day moving average will reach about 400 bucks or so, and then that will be your line in the sand. If we go below that, and then I'll start getting very concerned. I mean, Bitcoin, I have to fall off a cliff. It doesn't look like it's going to fall off the cliff, but we have to just be careful with that, because you never know. So keep that in mind looking at this. Now, RSI is looking okay. Overall, it's looking bullish, but I want to see a break, guys. The 587. We have to break this and hold. I'm concerned about this dark cloud coverage, and this candle, and this candle together, they form an evening star. So we literally have to like close preferably above December 1st high. If we don't close above that, then we're probably going to have a pullback. Let's look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart looks good, but not amazing. So let's just kind of dissect. Still using the same fibs. Ultimately, 587, we have to go past freaking 587. The resistance level is very important. It's a 61% retracement, so very important level from a fib standpoint. Now, we started the week kind of good, and then we're having kind of like a crappy second day of the week, but it's okay. We still have the whole week. We just have to close and hold above this level, because if not, more likely we're just gonna pull back. So we just have to be careful, especially if you place a position, make sure your stops are tight. We don't want you to have a wide stop and all of a sudden turn into an awful trade altogether. So keep that in mind. By the way, guys, you guys requested a private chat. We deliver. We do have it now. We're going to put it down on the description below. EC Crypto Pro. Go and check out the website. We created two. It is a paid chat, but if you need me to hold your hand at all times, that's where you need it to be. We created a light version, which is going to get technical analysis, and we created the pro version, which is not only you're getting the technical analysis, but I'm going to hold your hand at all times, and at the same time, I'm going to post the positions as they happen, my positions as they happen too. So keep that in mind, and I will hold your hand as long as I'm not sleeping. So it won't be 24/7, but most of the day I am awake for the most part. So just keep that in mind. So like I said, guys, we do have to wait and see Like now, this is a weekly chart. So weekly charts, they tune out a lot of the noise, but your stops need to be wider. If we close above this, you know, our next target is about 735 or so. Past that, 836, about $1,000 or so, and then the all-time high. I mean, we'll have more levels here, but we're not even that close, so let's not even look at them just yet. So keep that in mind. And if you're weak, close below, and then this will make it very bearish, and then we're probably gonna have a pullback. But we'll have the good news is we'll be able to buy stuff at a cheaper price. So keep that in mind, guys. And if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, and go and check out Easy Crypto Pro. Thanks again, guys.